Let's do a steam distillation of lavender and extract some essential oil and hydrosol. We start by filling the kettle with water and the column with the herb we're going to distill. Today I'm using 2 different varieties of fresh lavender. To assemble the still, I start by putting a gasket between the column and the pot. Then we'll tighten down a clamp between these 2 halves of the still. We fire up the burner and the water in that pot is going to turn to steam. These hoses will pump ice water through the condenser and that steam will fall back into water. As the steam moves through the herbs, it collects the essential oils. The oil-infused steam is cooled in the condenser and falls into the funnel. The water that I'm draining off at the bottom of the separatory funnel has oil suspended in it, and it's called a hydrosol. But most of the essential oil floats to the top. I'll carefully separate the last of the hydrosol, which I'll put into mister bottles. The hydrosol makes a beautiful, delicate spritz, and at the end of the process, I separate out the essential oil. Thank you, lavender, for this precious oil gift. I will savor every drop.